Everyone, so let's start the today's lesson. So in our previous class, we talked mainly about functions. I've given a little bit of description on functions, and also I have discussed some of the terms related to the functions. Mainly, I discussed about the range, domain, and also like how to understand for a particular domain, what will be the range of that domain for for a given function. So in today's class, we're going to mainly understand and strengthen our grip on function by taking some of the two problems. I'll be discussing two problems in today's class, and this is mainly required since this is only for your physics part. So I won't be going too much of deep into the topic of function, but I hope these two problems will be sufficient to make you understand on doing the different problems mainly on physics. Okay, so the first problem. So this is the first problem. So it is written here, given a function fx is equal to x of minus 1 divided by x plus 1, and then we have to find the value of this. So if you can see here, there are two functions. Means first of all, the function f of x means once we do the function for x, whatever the value of whatever the value is going to come, again we need to do the function for that value. Means whatever the value is going to come, that value we need to put in x. So this is the basic concept, I can say. So let's see how to do. So given fx is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So this is already the value of fx. So now what we need to do is that again we need to do this, means we need to do the function of this value. So f of x. That means for each x we need to put this whole value. We need to put this whole value for x. So how to write for x? We're going to write it as x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1. So on simplifying, you can write it as x plus 1 x minus 1 minus of x minus 1, and here is also x plus 1 x minus 1 plus x plus 1. So you can see that this denominator and this denominator is going to get cancelled, and from the numerator part you can cancel this minus x, and this here you can cancel 1 and minus 1. So the value comes here is minus 2 divided by 2 of x. So it can be written as minus 1 by x. So this is the answer. So this is how we can solve this problem. So the concept here is means you have to see here f of x, whatever the value of f of x, write it simply. Then you see that there is again f written. That means the value, you need to do the function for the value of f of x. So the value of f of x is this. Again, you need to do the function of this value only, and for the value of x you need to put this whole value. So for each value of x, the value will be x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, and this way we did it. So I hope you all understand. Next comes to the next question. So this is a simple way written here. I have made like how to do the things. So it is written, replace x with the entire function. So what is the function? I already told, and then substitute the it is written as substitute the expression for fx where you see x in the original function. So this is only the thing. Substitute the expression for x wherever you see x in the original function. Then the next step is set up the complex function fraction, and after that simplify the numerator and denominator and cancel the common terms. That's what I did. So let's go to the next. So this is there is the double application. In the problem we did the I can say the double application. So let's see the next problem. So the problem here is given as y is equal to f of x, which is equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 2. Okay, so what we can see here, it is written as y is equal to f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 2. So, and we need to find f of y. So that means we need to do the function of the value of y. Means if we, so given to us is, given y is equal to 2x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 2. So f of y means we need to do the function of y. That means for every value of x, we need to write, I can say we need to write the whole value of, we need to write this whole value. Similarly, means similar, I can say whatever we did in the previous problem only, it is a bit similar to this only, but a bit written in tricky way. So to make, if your concept is deep and if you have understood what I told you previously, and then you can maybe able to solve this problem. So let's see how to do this. So 2 into, for x, you need to write this whole value. 2x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 2, minus of 3, then 3 into 2x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 2, minus of 2. So whatever we, so what we got is, let me to write it again, 2 into 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 divided by 3x minus 2, minus of 3 divided by 3 into 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3 by 3x minus 2, minus 2. So if we simplify it as, so it will be 4x minus 6 divided by 3x minus 2 minus 3 divided by 6x minus 9 divided by 3x minus 2, minus of 2. This can be written as 3x minus 2, 4x minus 6 minus 3 of 3x minus 2 divided by 3x minus 2, 6x minus 9 minus 2 into 3x minus 2. So you can cancel this one and this one. So we are going to get as 4x minus 6 minus 9x plus 6 divided by 6x minus 9 minus 6x plus 4. So if you can see, this minus 6 and this 6 cancels, so it will be minus 5x by, minus 6x, this one gets cancelled, minus 5. So we are left with only with x. So this is the value. So we can say that function of y that we are required to find here, and the value of f of y is x. So this is our answer. So you can, if you can see, this is all what is written. Replace x in fx with the entire expression for y. So multiply through to get the clear fraction, and after combining like terms in the numerator and denominator, the 3x minus 2 cancels out, and remarkably fx, so we get this value, sorry, so we get this value to be x. In this way you can solve this question. I hope you can understand. So if you can understand the concept that I said till now, mainly for this function part, if you have the ability to understand the concept to this level only, I hope it will be sufficient to understand the physics part. No doubt for mathematics also you need a lot of understanding in functions, that is a different one, but till now only for, I can say, for the basic mathematics, to solve the problems. So this is mainly the chapter that is the basic mathematical tools. So that is why I have taken some of the mainly some of the concepts of function, and I tried to also solve the problems. So you have to understand mainly here how I approached the concept and how I have taken the concept and approached to some of the questions and how I did actually. So this is mainly required till now for I can say for this basic mathematical tools in physics. So this is all what is written. If you want, you can read from here. But the main concept that I've given, that is the main thing that is required for you. So